This video is going to go over the process of posting your grades. To do so, click on Report Card, and then Edit Final Grade and Comments. And then once there, notice you have a roster of your students. You have a calculation for the percentage that they have at this point in time. You have their current grade. And then in the fourth column from the left, you have the opportunity to overwrite their grade. And then you have 3 comment fields. Those comment fields are mapped to numbers. And those numbers are represented in text form on the right side of the page. So you can add a couple comments, or add up to 3 comments rather. And then in the far right column, you have the opportunity to provide the citizenship grade that the student has earned. So notice there's O, S, and U for those. And then if you'd like, in order to save time, you can fill down just by clicking that green arrow. Once you've made those changes, click Save Changes, and then Post, and then go on to your next class.